What if I told you that you can get a brand new current generation graphics card that could give you 1080p high refresh gaming that costs less than $250? Too good to be true, right? Well, wrong. Today we're going to take a look at the RX 6600 from AMD, and I'm going to try to convince you why it is the new king of 1080p budget gaming. Now when I say this graphics card is available, I mean it's available. Just pop over to Amazon or Newegg or wherever site that you want to go to, and you can just add to cart and buy it right now. No queues, no shuffles, no shady shenanigans in the back alley, just available. And to prove it to you, I'll even leave some affiliate links down in the description below to help you out and to help the channel out too. So if you're wondering what kind of CPUs or what kind of PC you can build with an RX 6600 as the graphics card, really anything like a Intel 12400 from the current generation, or on the AMD side a 5600 from the current generation, or even if you wanted to go a bit older and get some more frames per dollar, you could look at maybe an 11400 or 10400 over on the Intel side, or even an AMD 3600 and a B450 motherboard on the AMD side. Really any kind of mid-tier PC part list you can pair with this GPU and it'll work very well. I'll leave a couple of part lists with affiliate links down below so you can kind of compare that to what you might be thinking about for your gaming PC. Now you're probably wondering at this point about performance, and well, we've got some benchmarks. Roll the benchmarks.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Now those benchmarks were all done at 1080p with high settings, but if you wanted to do 1440p, you could certainly do that as well. You will take a hit in the FPS, and on some games you might need to drop it down to medium to maintain the high refresh rates. Now this GPU isn't all sunshine and rainbows, so let me fill you in on some of the bad things as well. If you're going to be doing content creation, the built-in encoder is just not as good or not as well supported as NVENC, so if you're using software like OBS and things of that nature, it will take a bit more tweaking to be able to get a smooth-looking or good-looking stream or content out of it. Once again, you can stream with it, but it does take a bit more tweaking, is that a word? It does take a bit more tweaking to get it to run right, versus something like the NVENC encoder where you just turn on NVENC and it pretty much does everything for you. And the other drawback is ray tracing, which, you know, it is ray tracing. But ray tracing performance on this card was very bad in both Port Royal as well as testing Fortnite with ray tracing enabled. And when I say very bad, I mean old generation consoles laughing at this GPU bad, like below 30 FPS frame rates. So I definitely wouldn't recommend it for ray tracing, but you really shouldn't be getting any kind of entry-level card, be it the 3050, 3060, 6600, etc., if you want to do ray tracing. But for 1080p budget gaming, this GPU is absolutely fantastic. Now, if you want to see how the 6600 compares to something like the 3060, check out my video on that. You'll see basically for gaming, the RTX 6600 is a very good value and very hard to beat. But before you go, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click on the like button and consider subscribing. You can also check the description down below to see my other socials. Follow me there, including the PinkyTech Discord server. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.